Dear students, today we will study the remaining part of biometry, that is measures of variability. The measures of variability gives us an idea of central value around which most values are clustered, but it says nothing about how they are clustered. Therefore, we need numerical measures to describe the dispersion or the spread of data around the central value. Such measures of depression, which are most often used, are standard deviation, standard error, etc. So remember, in the measures of variability, we have to study the standard deviation, standard error, you know, the error, that is the mistakes, etc. So first we will study here the standard deviation. Standard deviation is defined as the positive square root of the arithmetic mean of the square of deviation of the observation from the arithmetic mean. It may also be defined as the square root of the variance. It is also known as the root means a square deviation, and generally denoted by small Greek letter, that is a sigma. You know the symbol sigma here, and also as SD, standard deviation. S is in the general position and D is the upper side, just like the square. So SD, it is calculated by following formula. So there are two formula. Standard deviation is equal to in under root summation D square divided by n minus 1, used when data not grouped into frequency. And another formula, that is the standard deviation in is equal to under root summation fd square divided by summation f. This is used when data grouped into frequency distribution. However, both these are illustrated below. Illustration 1, the example here given, that is the first example, the measurements of post-clitellar region of 10 earthworm show following observation, for which standard deviation is to be calculated. Earthworm number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, up to the 10. And length of the earthworm is centimeter, measured in the laboratory. So first earthworm having the length 10.8, second earthworm 7.5, third earthworm 8.6. Like this, there is the 10 earthworm and the length of earthworm is measured. So here earthworm number and length of earthworm in centimeter. So in this case, standard deviation can be calculated by using formula under root summation D square divided by n minus 1, where summation D square is equal to summation of squared deviation and n is equal to number of observations. Now this given data is tabulated. So for calculation, length in centimeter denoted by the x in bracket and x minus x bar is equal to d and d square. In this way, there are the three column in a table. So in first column there is the length in centimeter, in second column there is the mean x minus x bar is equal to d, and in third column there is the d square. So first observation, the length of earthworm is 10.8, and here it is 1.9, and d square is equal to 3.61. In this way, this is the tabulated, and last after the last observation, summation total is equal to 89. So x bar is equal to 8.9, and on the right side summation d square is equal to 11.38. So here mean is calculated. Summation x divided by n is equal to 89 divided by 10, and it is 8.9. It is after the calculation. In this way, the second illustration is considered as the example, and in this case the standard deviation is 6.065. Then we have to study the standard error. So standard error is also referred as standard error. Remember, standard error is also referred to as standard error of mean. In bracket, it is denoted by the SEM, standard error mean. So it is abbreviated by SEM. It is a quality which can be calculated directly from standard deviation by using the following formula. Remember, for the calculation of the standard error, the formula is standard error of mean is equal to standard deviation divided by under root n. So standard deviation divided by under root n, where n represents the number of replicants or observations. So dear students, this was a short bit remain from the biometry. Here the third unit, biometry, is completed, and only last chapter is remain, that is the bioinformatics. So bioinformatics means the use of computer application in the biology, bioinformatics. So that unit already you know, because you are daily using the internet, you are daily using the Instagrams, WhatsApps, and number of things. That is the use of computers in the biology. So that last unit will start in fresh period, in fresh mood tomorrow. So that is only last chapter is remain, that is the bioinformatics. Notes already I have sent on the WhatsApp, 4 chapter notes, 4 units. So you study that. Your examination is very near. Don't waste your time. Your examination is in MCQ form and on the Google Meet. So we will also arrange one test as a practice for the examination on Google Meet. So all of you be ready for the examination, that is a practice examination. ज्याला आपण सराव परीक्षा असं म्हणतो. अशी एक सराव परीक्षा जर आपण घेतली तर फायनल परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्हाला काही अडचणी येणार नाही. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला एक सराव परीक्षा घ्यायची आहे. जशी ॲन्युअल एक्झामिनेशन तुमची सेमिस्टर एक्झामिनेशन होणार आहे, शेवटचं सेमिस्टर 6 सेमिस्टरचं, त्याच धर्तीवर त्याच आधारावर आपण एक सराव परीक्षा इथे अरेंज करणार आहे. तुम्ही सर्वांनी त्याच्यासाठी रेडी राहायचं आहे. अबाउट द प्रॅक्टिकल, ऑन द व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप I will send the practicals. You bring the practical record book and you write in that practical record book whatever may be the practicals I have sent on WhatsApp group. ध्यानात घ्या, मी तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवरती पाठवणार आहे. प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 1, प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 2, प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 3, लाईक दिस. सो यू हॅव टू परचेस द रेकॉर्ड बुक. तुम्ही दुकानावरून एक रेकॉर्ड बुक परचेस करायचं आणि त्या रेकॉर्ड बुकमध्ये मी जे सेंड करणार आहे ते प्रॅक्टिकल सर्व लिहून टाकायचं आणि ते रेकॉर्ड बुक आमच्याकडे सबमिट करायचं. त्याच पद्धतीनं प्रॅक्टिकलचं इंटरनल असेसमेंट जे आहे 10 मार्काचं, त्याची सुद्धा मी तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न देणार आहे. ते प्रश्न लिहून जसं आपण इंटरनल टेस्ट ट्युटोरियलचं जसं सबमिशन करतो, टेस्ट ट्युटोरियलच्या ज्या छोट्या छोट्या नोटबुक तुम्ही सबमिट करतात, त्याच पद्धतीनं तुम्हाला एक प्रॅक्टिकलचं इंटरनल सुद्धा लिहायचं आहे. ते प्रॅक्टिकलचे इंटरनलचे प्रश्न मी तुम्हाला सेंड करणार आहे की प्रॅक्टिकलचे इंटरनल काय काय लिहायचं आहे. तुम्ही टेस्ट ट्युटोरियल सारखीच वही बनवायची आणि त्या वहीवर लिहायचं की प्रॅक्टिकल्स इंटरनल assessment. So dear students, here today the biometry this unit third is completed. You send your presentee as early as possible. Don't waste your time. Immediately send your presentee and be alert. जागरूक राहा. परीक्षाचा कालावधी आहे. परीक्षा अत्यंत जवळ आलेली आहे. टाइम टेबल आलेलं आहे. टाइम वेस्ट करू नका. कोरोनाची सर्व प्रिकॉशन्स फॉलो करायचं. मास्क वापरायचं, सॅनिटायझर वापरायचं, घडी घडी हात धुवायचं आणि सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग फॉलो करायचं. हे सर्व इन्स्ट्रक्शन फॉलो करून आपण आपल्या कामात सक्सेस व्हायचं आहे. सो फॉर टुडे इट इज सफिशियंट. वन्स अगेन आय वुड लाईक टू से यू सेंड युअर प्रेझेंटी ॲज अर्ली ॲज पॉसिबल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.